Doing a flood today, and I wanted to show you we're using our Seal-A-Door. This is a protective door, temporary door. We put it in place to keep the bugs, the wind, the rain, whatever out, while we can still put our hoses in. Our hoses through that hole, and yeah, it works really well. Way to disengage this. Grab it, pull it down. Spring loaded. You see it right there. And we're all done with it, so I'm taking it all the way out. Just like that. Now we just roll up our Seal-A-Door and put it back in our truck. That's how we roll.